Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find About Tablet. Now let's localize the Harmony OS version, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. After that we can enter System and Updates, so they will be right above the About Tablet, and here simply tap on the developer options. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can customize the drawing section, so for example the window animation scale. We can show surface updates, we can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got also options which are connected with the networking, so the Wi-Fi, USB and Bluetooth. And basically all you have to do in order to turn on the feature is to tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from to customize. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. And as you can see, the developer options will immediately disappear from this list, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the tapping step, so the Harmony OS version, and keep tapping to activate it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.